if we have to delete a node in a linked list when the head pointer is not given, what we will actually do is we will make the value of the node to be deleted equals to the value of the next node, and then we will delete the next node. So let's see how that works. It's going to make sense in a second. So let's say if we have to delete the last node, so that one is pretty simple. You just make the last node equals to null. So that is that is an exception. So what we do is if node is equals to null, sorry, if nodes next is equals to null, then simply make the node equals to null. Now, otherwise, what we will do is, let's say I want to delete this 5. So I'll make this 5 equals to 1, and then I'll make sure that this node points to 9. So by default, 5 this linked list will become 4, 1, and then 9. Hence 5 will be deleted. So what we need to do is the current node's value will be equal to the next node of current node's value. So the current node's value is equal to next node's value 5. This 1 is going to be stored inside this, and we will simply point this node to the next of next. What we do, current node's next is equal to the next node's next, and our work is done. So as you can see, this is a very fast algorithm. So to summarize, what we're doing is we're actually pointing the node to be deleted to the next of next node, and just making the value of the node to be deleted equals to the value of next node. And yeah, that's how you do it.